Good afternoon, guys, and this is Joel with Into My GT Entertainment. Just wanted to give y'all a quick little update on the channel and what is coming up and what is going to go on with Electra here and what I'm going to do here with this channel now. I think I'm going to bring back Garage Talk. I tried that out a little bit. A lot of people wanted it back. So if there's any cars that you want me to grab the owner and have them discuss their car and what brought them to it and whatever, just hit me up, put it in the comments, and then I'll see if I can get a running list and grab some people and start doing that again. I'm also doing some work to Electra here in the next couple of days. It's almost my birthday, so you know, it'll be her birthday too, because I did get her in October. So what I'm going to do with her is we're going to go ahead and tear this up a little bit, put some oil pump gears in there, and then I'm putting in a new rear end. So right now I'm running 355s, and then I'm going to be running 331s. So it'll keep me in the boost longer so I can do a longer stretch. Like I said, so it's going to be interesting, and we're going to have a little bit of stuff coming next year with the car. I'm planning on being close to about 800 and some change, because I want to update the fuel system too. I want to go ahead and do E85 conversion, but I want to do the flex fuel and the E85 tune, and then of course keep my 93 tune, because not everywhere you can get E. So but like I said, I was talking to my tuner whenever he said I could get another 100 horsepower just going over to E. But to switch over the fueling system, it costs around $2,000 or something. So as you see, I got no money in my pockets right now. So we're going to eventually get to that in the next year. But like I said, I want to show a little bit of video on my car. Give some points that it's been a while since I've actually talked about her, so I'm going to go ahead and give you some updates on that, and then I'm going to go ahead and learn some new editing skills, because my editing skills are by far weak. So I'm going to go ahead and been trying to school myself on some new editing tricks and the way to drop music in and beat match and do all this other stuff. So hopefully my videos will be a little better coming up here shortly also. So we'll catch you in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do like a little shots on my car, do a little walk around so I can do some tests on that. So y'all let me know if it looks any better or worse at the end of this video, and we'll see you in a few. Okay, peace.
It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost that you left behind here. When is it you decided to turn into a bitch? We used to be lower than death. Anybody that knew us.
There you go, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Like I said, I'm just testing out some new ways of editing and doing stuff, so I'm gonna go hit the grind and see how this comes out. So let me know in the comments below what y'all think of the new format I want to do with the Garage Talk, and like I said, drop down what you want to see, and then hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, of course, because you know, that way you know when I post new videos. And I still need a name for her car. Like I said, I'm taking my wheels back at some point, getting her new tires on her other rims, so those will be back as spares for me. I might get some Mickey Thompson Street ETs or some Nittos or something for the rear of these, just to have a different set. So like I said, if y'all have a name for this car, drop that in the comments too, because like I said, I don't have a name for it yet. So go ahead and drop something down there and we'll go through it. Alright guys, so we'll catch you on the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and like I said, like, subscribe, hit that bell. We'll catch you on the next one.